Hello everyone, myself Divya Kenchangaudr. I am studying in BSc 4th semester SSGFGC Nargund. My combination is CBZ. My assignment topic is non-aqueous solvents. First we have to know about what is non-aqueous solvents. That is, the substance which are acting as a solvents other than water are called as non-aqueous solvents. For example, liquid NH3, liquid SO2, etc. Classification of solvents is three types. First one is protic and aprotic solvents. Second one is acidic, basic and amphoprotic solvents. Third one is ionizing and non-ionizing solvents. Next, solvent properties of liquid NH3. First one is boiling point is minus 33.5 degrees Celsius. Freezing point is minus 77.7 degrees Celsius. Density is 0.68 gram per ml. Dielectric constant is 22.0, which is less than water. It shows that liquid ammonia is poorly electrolytic solvent than water. Specific conductance is 1 into 10 raised to minus 11 per ohm per centimeter. Viscosity is 0.254 centipoise. Dipole moment is 1.47 dB. Proton constant is 101.2 joule per kilo per milliseconds. The autoionization of liquid NH3 is NH3 plus NH3. It gives rise to NH4 plus NH2 minus. Next, chemical reaction of NH3. First one is precipitation reaction. Many precipitation reactions are taking place in presence of liquid NH3 which are not possible in the presence of water. For example, when AgCl is react with KNO3 in the presence of liquid NH3 to produce AgNO3 plus KCl. Next, another example for precipitation reaction, Ki is react with NH4Cl to produce KCl plus NH4i. Next, complex formation reaction. Many metals are precipitated as complex halides in liquid NH3. For example, when 2NaCl is react with CaNO3 twice plus 8NH3 to produce CaNH3A times Cl2 plus 2NaNO3. This is complex formation reaction. Next one is neutralization reaction. Ammonia undergo autoionization as follows. NH3 plus NH3 to produce NH4 plus as an acid and NH2 minus as a base. For example, when NH4Cl is react with NaNH2 to produce NaCl salt and 2NH2 solvent. Next one is amphoteric behavior of liquid NH3. Liquid NH3 can shows amphoteric behavior. For example, when Zn2 plus is react with KNH2. KNH2 is a base in the presence of liquid NH3 to produce ZnNH2 twice plus KNH2. It is an example for amphoteric behavior of liquid NH3. Next one is ammonolysis. Like autoionization of water, in ammonolysis, the concentration of either NH4 plus or NH2 minus ions increases due to the interaction of cations and anions of a salt with NH4 plus or NH2 minus ions furnished by autoionization of NH3. Next one is reduction. CuI when react with Na in the presence of liquid NH3 to produce Cu plus NaI. Next one is oxidation. Oxidizing action of various oxidizing agent is weaker in liquid NH3 than in aqueous solution. For example, when potassium is react with ammonia to produce KNH2 plus half H2. Liquid NH3 as a leveling agent. Next one. In liquid ammonia, the strong acid is water. React completely with NH3 forming NH4 ions. For example, when HCl is react with ammonia to produce NH4 plus Cl minus. Next, solutions of alkali metals in liquid NH3. First one is its color, which is independent of the metal involved. Its density, which is similar to the pure liquid NH3. Its conductivity, which is in range of electrolyte dissolved. It is paramagnetism, which indicates the presence of large number of unpaired electrons. Next, NH3 have merits and demerits also. Next, liquid sulfur dioxide properties. Boiling point is minus 10.1 degree Celsius. Freezing point is minus 75.5 degree Celsius. Density is 1.46 gram per ml. Dielectric constant is 17.4. Dipole moment is 1.61 dB. Viscosity is 0.428 centipoise. Specific conductance is 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 per ohm per centimeter. Next, autoionization of sulfur dioxide is when SO2 is react with SO2 to produce the thionyl ion and sulfate ion. Next, chemical reaction of liquid SO2. First one is precipitation reaction. A large number of precipitation reaction can be carried out in liquid sulfur dioxide due to specific solubility relationship. For example, when 2Ki is react with SOCl2 in the presence of liquid SO2 to produce 2KCl plus SOI2. Next one is acid-base reaction or neutralization reaction. Like water, the autoionization of liquid SO2 forms a thionyl ion SO2 plus and sulfate ion SO3 2 minus. Hence, all the substance containing SO3 2 minus ions are act as a base and SO2 plus act as a acids. For example, acid SOCl2 plus base CS2SO3 react in the presence of liquid SO2 to produce 2CsCl salt. Next is solvolysis reaction. Some salts undergo solvolysis in liquid SO2. For example, 2CH3COONH4 is react with 2SO2 to produce NH4 twice SO3 plus CH3COO twice SO. It is a solvolysis. Next one reaction is complex formation reaction. A large number of complex reactions are carried out in the presence of liquid SO2. For example, when Ki is react with I2 in the presence of liquid SO2 to produce Ki2. Next, amphoteric behavior. Some salts are shows amphoteric behavior in liquid SO2. The reaction of AlCl3 with NaOH in aqueous medium can be compared with the reaction of AlCl3 with tetramethyl ammonium solute in liquid SO2. For example, when AlCl3 is react with 3NaOH in the presence of water to produce gelatinous PPT. And SO2 have also merits and demerits. Thank you.